G'day everybody, it's Mike from Battlefield Accessories here. Just a quick intro video on how to use our Chain of Command force tracker. So I've grabbed the Blitzkrieg book, right? And if I flip up to a page I may have recorded earlier. If I look at this German Pioneer platoon, you can see that my force morale tracker is force 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus, right? And I've got command dice, 2 dice when I've got force morale 1 and so on. I've also got the J for the special. Right, we'll lose a jump off point, and this red, which is sitting at a force morale 4, which is saying I have a bonus dice during those times. So the idea on our force morale tracker is that I've got these spots across here where I can basically translate that information in. Right, and the best way to do that is with these liquid chalk pens. And so what I'm basically going to do is translate that information onto the thing. You'll see that I've got the numbers 1 through 6 across here. So translating those numbers, when I'm on force morale 1, I have 2 command dice. Right, when I have force morale 2, I lose a jump off point. Force morale 3, I have 3 command dice. At 4, I lose my bonus dice. So I'm going to put a 4 in here, and I'm going to put it in what passes for red. And then I've got the 5 there. Now I've left the 6 there because some of the lists in the Blitzkrieg book they start losing command dice at 6 force morale, so that's what's there. Now, the way that you actually use these boards in game is you can see that I've got a spot for my force morale, which I can adjust down as I lose points of force morale. Then at the bottom I've got command points, so every time I roll a 5, I can increase that up. Right, so that's going to basically go accumulating towards my chain of command dice. And so we've found in our games we often have people have more than one chain of command dice up their sleeve, right? And so I have 1 chain of command dice, 2 chain of command dice, and so on. Final thing is I've got my 5 command dice. Here I go, roll them. What we do with ours is we put our command dice in these little strips on the side. Right, and that stops you accidentally picking them up and rolling them for something. And so as you use them, so okay, there's a 5, so I increase my chain of command points by 1 level, and so on. I'm going to use the rest of those. 1, 6, of course, not going to do anything for me. Right, and so that way I'm not going to lose my dice. Right, and these are designed to hold 16mm 2 fat lardy dice. There they are. Okay, see you at CanCon.